Welcome everyone to the first edition of Power Chat. My name is Brian DiStefano. I'm the Director of Sales Engineering and Technical Services here at RS. Today I'm joined by Tristan Walter and Sabrina Ramos, Sales Engineers at RS. Welcome guys.
Thank you for having us, Brian.
Yeah, thanks. Excited to be here.
So as we speak to our customers, and as I've personally spoke to them, and as I know you guys have as well, a lot of times our customers feel that we are trying to tell them that composite poles should be used everywhere for every circumstance. What do you guys think about that?
Well, it's a strategic solution, not a universal one. At Resilient Structures, we like to focus on 3 use cases mainly. So your hard to access locations. At RS, we actually have a solution, the gin pole, where you can install up to a 70-foot pole, as well as those structures that are critical infrastructure or circuits. So think of circuits that are feeding into data centers or having heavy and large equipment that you don't want coming down, as well as harsh environments, so storms, pests, corrosion issues. So we actually have a line in the Utah Salt Lake, so that's pretty cool.
If there are any other questions about our product or our company, please feel free to drop us a line. There is our email address is displayed on the screen. You could use that email address to get in touch with us. But for now, thank you so much for joining us. Have a great day.